Hi, this is Debbie Duraco. I'm director of StellaLife, and we're here at the Amos meeting in Nashville, Tennessee, my hometown now. And I am here with Dr. Cathy Hung. She is amazing. I want to introduce you to her. Dr. Hung, tell me what you've been up to. Tell me who you are and where you're from. And what have you been doing that's so intriguing to the world of oral surgery?
Thank you so much, Debbie. I met Debbie at Dr. Pico's course, and we were talking about StellaLife, and she was making comments and saying that, we don't see many female oral surgeons. I said, let me tell you something. I actually just worked on a project, and this is a book to feature female oral maxillofacial surgeons. It is called Behind Her Scalpel. This is my book, and I have invited 24 female oral surgeons to share their stories and journey. So I'm very happy that I'm able to feature this book here at the Amos Convention. And I love your products. Ever since I talked to Debbie, I've been using all the products over here, the recovery kit for my implant and bone graft patients. I also use the gel for post-operative pain, or if I have done a bone graft, I'll just apply immediately for the patient. I also put it for dry sockets and post-operative pain. The things that I like about the product is that they're small and you can carry it in a purse. So this is perfect for senior patients and ladies, or men as well. You can put it in your pocket. So love your product. Thank you very much. And I especially love the coconut flavor.
Yeah,
I told Debbie that I almost drank it.
I love it. I love it. Well, we're so happy we have doctors like Dr. Hung with us using these products. Their amazing testimonials are consistently great about the product and how the patients love it. If you have a chance, please go to Amazon. Look for her book. This is amazing. These are fantastic women who are doing fantastic things in the world of oral surgery, and we really appreciate you, Doctor, very, very much.
Thank you. And likewise, I
Thank
really
you.
appreciate StellaLife.
Thank you.